Creating a YouTube channel is now easier than you ever thought because you can now use your mobile phone to create a YouTube channel which you can use for your faceless YouTube channel or your personality YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can create your YouTube channel in 2025 using your mobile phone. By the end of this video, you must have learned how to create a YouTube channel and then upload your first video on YouTube. Once you have installed the YouTube app from Google Play Store, you need a Gmail account to register your YouTube channel. What I mean is that you need a specific Gmail account that you would use to create your YouTube channel. So this Gmail account should be a Gmail account that you can easily log in and still remember the password to that Gmail. I made a video of how to create multiple Gmail accounts in this very place. So check. Once you have installed the YouTube app and you have created the specific Gmail account you want to use to create your YouTube channel. So I've clicked on open on YouTube. So you're going to see this interface. So this is how your interface will look like. So what you have to do is that you head over to this very place that says you tap on. So once you have tapped on you over here, you then have to check on switch accounts to see the specific Gmail account you want to use to create your YouTube channel. So I'm going to scroll through and then this is the Gmail account I want to use to create my YouTube channel. So I have to tap on it. So you must make sure that the Gmail account you are using is what you really want to use to create your YouTube channel. So I have to tap on it and then it opens up. I'll still go back to you again since this is the Gmail account I want to use to create my YouTube channel. So I'm going to then tap on create an account. So create a channel, sorry. So since I've tapped on create a channel, it brings us to this very place and this is where I'll put in my profile picture. You tap on it and then it will take you to your gallery and then you have to choose your profile picture. Your profile picture could be your own personal picture or your brand picture, whatsoever you are using, whatsoever the purpose the channel is all about is as my profile picture. So you just have to arrange it very well so that it will be within this circle here. So since you have done that, you tap on save as profile picture and it will be saved as your profile picture. So since you are done with that, we then put in the name you want for your YouTube channel. If you're into anything at all, you can use your name, you can use your brand name, whatsoever it is. I just want to save it as business mindset. Yes, I just want my YouTube name to be business mindset. You can still edit it. You can just edit it to whatsoever feel like. But I'm good with this, so I have to tap on. So once I have put in my profile picture and my YouTube channel name, I'll go ahead and tap on create. Channel has been created as you can see over here. So you now have to tap on view channel to see more of how it's looking like. So this is how our channel is looking like. So you can now like put in more info concerning your channel, tell your viewers what your channel is all about, and your viewers and the people visiting the channel, you tell them what the channel is all about. So I have to then tap here and this is where I have to make so many things. I can edit so many things at this very place. So this is our profile picture. So I have to put in a YouTube banner. A short is like a picture that gives or passes message about what your YouTube channel is all about. I'm going to later make a video of how you can design a YouTube banner or Canva. Yes, just in case you want to create a YouTube banner, but you can also use a picture as your YouTube banner. So I'm just going to tap on it and then choose from your photos. You have to use something random. So I just have to and then tap on save. And this is now what I'm using as my YouTube banner. So since I am done with that, and I have to get see channel banner updated successfully. As you can see right here is description, adding my bio, telling my YouTube visitors of what my channel is all about. So I have to tap on it. So I'll then tap in what my channel is all about. In this place, you can put in your contact info of how people can reach. You can put in your email address. So you can put in reach us all this. You put in your email address and all that. So once you are done typing, tap on save and it will get saved. So since you are done with this, our YouTube channel is now created. So once you are done creating your YouTube channel, you can go ahead and upload your first video. I'll make a separate video of how you can properly upload a video to your YouTube channel. So if this video was helpful, consider giving it a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.